What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people doing, huh? Well, I'm working on this here Coleman mini bike. Apparently, the customer's children wrecked it, and it's smashed. Well, you can see, busted foot peg off. That side over there is kind of janky. Smashed the recoil assembly into this apparatus. That apparatus went into this apparatus and fucked it all up, pardon my French. But this is also damaged. So instead of having to buy a new one, what you can do is find yourself a nice solid surface. 2 before, straighten it out, save you some money. Obviously, with this thing being all kinds of whomper jawed and missing some fins, you know, you might could run it and get by for a little while like this, but why? I'm not sure what this part costs. I haven't looked it up yet, but it's a hell of a lot cheaper than burning that motor up, I promise. So just something to look at. If you guys have got one of these that has been wrecked, just make sure that this was easy to straighten out. This works fine. No need to replace that, but dang sure want to straighten this thing up, or the same thing will happen again. And you dang sure want to replace this, or it'll overheat. So there you go. Anybody that needs it, there is a phone number to call. Yeah. That'll get you fixed right up. And up in there under the seat is a VIN number. Oh, there you go. That placard right there's got the VIN number and the serial number and the date and all of that stuff on it. So this is a 2019 model. Anyway, just a little bit of helpful information. Maybe not. I don't know. There's some more information right there on this particular bike. They're not very expensive, 400, 500, something like that. I don't know, but they can be a lot of fun. But when they do get wrecked, the guy kind of has to check it out. Make sure that it's not going to cause even more trouble. So there you go. Catch you guys on the next one. Please like and subscribe.